Layla, this way. Turn the hand, that's it.
Straight.
Go on then, Matt, you have to push her. This way, Layla.
Layla.
That's it. Towards Mummy. Turn it. That's it. She's getting it.
Layla, do the other way now. Good look. It's straight. Layla, do that. And then do that. Layla, I can slide you on your own. Yeah. You do it. Hey, go on.
I'm not sure she's strong enough to push with her feet, to be honest.
Layla, it's straight.
Do you like it, Layla?
Yeah.
Is it good?
I think the girls had it.
Wow.
Is it exciting?
Yeah. Layla. Layla, make it. Okay. Make it right, mine.
You're doing it on your own.
Make it right. Make it
Well, watch where you're going then. You've got to watch where you're going when you're on a bike.
Because I'm really good at mine. Do you know what I did lately?
Yeah.
When I first had my bike stabilisers, my knees bleeded, but I don't even bother. I didn't. Hey, go on. Hey, turn.